Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with entering the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps and apply them to your browser. Alright, so let's open it and then let's tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner. If you want to, I would say a basic option, let's simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. If you want to dig deeper and to remove some advanced browsing history, simply tap on the History. And there we've got the list of previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button, or you can do it or you can do it automatically just upon Clear Browsing Data, which is at the top. And here we've got the basic options which are available in this previous one, which I've shown you or actually explained to you. So the browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, and I will remove everything. And let's tap on this time range. We can change it from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time. So just tap on the option and tap on Clear Data. Let's confirm it. And as you can see, our history is empty right now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.